Liatris Spicata, commonly known as blazing star, is a lesser known but highly valuable homeopathic remedy, especially when dealing with conditions like dropsy, means generalized swelling, and anemia. In homeopathy, this remedy is mainly indicated in cases where there is a fluid accumulation in the body, what we call dropsy or edema. The patient often represents with swelling of the limbs, abdomen, or even in the internal organs, along with feeling of heaviness and discomfort. What makes Liatris Spicata unique is that it not only helps in reducing the fluid retention but also improves the overall functioning of the kidney and heart, which are often involved in such conditions. At the same time, it has a strong action on the blood. It is especially useful in anemia, where the patient feels extremely weak, tired, and exhausted even after the minimal exertion. There may be pallor on the face, breathlessness, and a general lack of vitality. The person may complain that they simply do not have the energy to carry out the daily activities. Another important sphere of action of Liatris Spicata is on the liver and the portal circulation. It helps in improving digestion, reducing congestion, and thereby indirectly supports the better blood formation and circulation. In simple terms, whenever you see a patient who is swollen due to fluid retention, looks pale, weak, and lacks the energy, Liatris Spicata can be a very effective remedy, working gently yet deeply to restore the balance. Now we'll see the comparison with other homeopathic remedies. In homeopathy, several remedies are used for dropsical conditions, and understanding their differences helps in accurate remedy selection. For example, apocyinum can, here we'll find, is a very important remedy for the dropsy. Yet, it is more often indicated when there is a extreme thirst, nausea, and marked fluid accumulation in the body. Plus, there is a scanty urine. Another remedy is arsenic herb, which is useful in dropsy, accompanied by restlessness, burning pains, anxiety, and great weakness, especially when symptoms are worse during the midnight. Compared to these remedies, Liatris Spicata is particularly helpful when dropsy is associated with anemia, poor blood quality, and general debility, rather than intense restlessness or severe gastric symptoms. Now we will see the concluding part. To conclude, Liatris Spicata is a valuable homeopathic remedy for conditions involving dropsy, anemia, weakness, and kidney-related fluid retention. When prescribed according to the totality of symptoms, it helps to improve circulation, enhance elimination of excessive fluid, and restore the patient's overall vitality. As always, homeopathic medicine should be taken under the guidance of a qualified homeopathic physician for safe and effective treatment. Thank you.